Now once bonding and plastering has been done, you may need to smooth out any rough areas to give the full wall a smooth level base for paint to be applied. For small areas you can use a sanding block to smooth any uneven surfaces. For bigger jobs you can use an electric sander to smooth out plasterboard joints, removal of popcorn wallpaper and much more. Now I was skeptical on how good a cheaper model electric sander would work, so I just didn't want to take the risk, and I went ahead and bought this telescopic drywall sander by Evolution, which had majority of good reviews across many DIY websites. Inside the box you will get a vacuum hose attachment, sanding disc pads with various grit levels, extension pole, Allen keys, instructions, handle attachment, hose adapters, and finally the Evolution drywall sander. You got an LED torch in the middle and around the top, making rough areas visible for you to sand off. Each light has its own switch. It also comes with 3 years manufacturer's guarantee. Now the on and off button is here, and also the speed dial to increase and decrease the RPM. Right, let's set this up. This part of the hose clicks in the sander. Other side, attach it to your vacuum. Let's turn this on. Use the 60 or the 80 grit sandpaper. I've been told to use the 80 for this job. Easily attach it on the disc, make sure the holes are not covered and are matching. Make sure you wear a mask and goggles even though the dust will capture inside the vacuum. This is the setup attachment I've done to the vacuum. Now your vacuum may have different shape slots for attachment, that is why other adapters are given. There are drywall sanders out there that has a vacuum feature built in. Right, I'm just going to sand this wall without having the vacuum on so you can see how important it is to capture the dust. Let the sander do the job, just keep moving it about, no need to apply pressure to the walls. The sander weighs around 6 kilograms. For me it is lightweight, but it's best to take breaks in between to avoid tiring out your arms. Now once you're done, slightly brush the walls. All the dust has been captured in the vacuum, so there's hardly any mess around. From the naked eye, I can see that all imperfections have smoothed out. All good and ready to paint. Take care guys, peace.